Stop, you're gonna waste the battery. You're gonna waste the battery, G.
PhongVLG here.
Battery's You're gonna waste the battery. Hey, 6 feet apart. 6 feet apart.
Take your mask off, fool.
All bad, all bad. Oh my gosh!
Is that your parking distance?
What?
Yeah. Look at the cut, bro. You're staying with it too.
Oh yeah, you didn't notice?
No, I didn't see it earlier. It's like a Downpipe. Yeah.
That's you, bro. Like, instead of cutting the fender, bro, you should just cut the top. Like, go wide, but like for no reason, and then just cut the top, bro, for you. I think that would look sick on your SI.
No, bro.
Just kidding. Dang, I need an SDK.
Wait, hey, we'll switch. I got Swift 30Ks. I'll do the swap right now. Dude, you should have put that.
This is goals. If I had an SDK and I was trying to build it, this would be like the vision I want. Of course.
You know what I also like besides this S2000? Knowledge. In fact, I'm a lot more proud of these 7 new bookshelves that I had to get installed to hold the 2,000 books that I just bought. It's like the millionaire Warren Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. Now maybe you see my TEDx talk about how I read a book a day. I read a book a day not to show off. Again, it's about the knowledge. In fact, the real reason why I get this Lamborghini here is to serve as a reminder that dreams are still possible.
Wait, Lamborghini, you mean the SDK?
Because it wasn't that long ago that I was
What are we doing? I don't even know what we're doing. So, because all this is out of context. So basically, we're like chilling on the freeway, and this this Lexus with these 2 chicks in it. I don't even know what they're doing.
2 chicks? I thought it was a guy driving.
No, it was a chick.
Oh, I saw a hat.
It was a chick. What? The chicks can't wear hats?
Oh, no, I'm blind, bro. I'm sorry. It's dark. They got tint. I'm sorry.
They even have tint. It was a clear fishbowl, dog. These 2 chicks are in the Lexus, and they're going like this.
Yeah, I didn't even notice
I don't even know what this means. If you know what that means, explain, please.
I didn't see.
But they were like going like this, and then they would just like go like that. So then we just like we're like sharing the theme back, as you guys saw. So I don't even know what they're doing. Second, there's this Nissan. Is it a Nissan?
Yeah, Nissan. Like
Ultima?
Maxima?
Or Maxima?
Something like that?
Maxima that just seems like pulling with us or like keeps driving with us.
No, ever since we got on the freeway by your house.
Oh yeah,
ever since that, because he's the one that was in front of me.
So the moment like we'll be cruising, and then the moment we do like 100 up in Mexico, of course.
Yeah.
The moment we do 100, he's like booking it with us. So I think he's just playing it safe, bro. Like he's like, all right, you know, they're going fast, I'm gonna go fast. You know, keep flowing through the traffic.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know about the whole carpooling, why he's doing that by himself, but yeah, is he behind us? I can't tell you.
No, I lost him.
Oh, he must have his exit must have came up already. That's why.
Yeah.
Not a Ferrari.
Are you recording? That's a Ferrari.
That's a Ferrari. Hey, that's a Ferrari. Ooh, look at that. It's a clean Ferrari. It's actually, let me pull out my phone here. Woo. It is 95. We shall play the music of my people.